Hi everyone, this is just a quick video. I will not talk too much because my English is not so good. So I just want to show you the difference between this body here that is available on my Patreon page for you. And the other one is the older version. I use this to see how everything works, and I end up with this one. Anyway, I have some images on the assemble of it, and I will share to you to make it easy to build it. There is other tutorials on YouTube you can find on figures that use those kind of strings, elastic cord, I don't know the name. This kind of cord is not rubber band. It's not a rubber band. Is a string, elastic string. Some people may know as ball jointed dolls, BJD. I don't know the pronounce. Again, my English is very bad. Okay, so I already shared it to you. I hope you download, print it. This can be printed way bigger than that. I just need this to fit with my other miniatures. Like this thing here. This is one of the ideas to use it with other models. So I already have a head with the helmet, and this is it. I hope you all enjoy it, and leave me comments, give me some tips, anything you need, anything you think that needs to be changed on the model, you can tell me. Okay, so goodbye.